YouTube, what is going on? Today we're going to be washing my ceramic coated car. I'll look at that in a second. It's been coated with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light and EXO. The wheels have been coated as well. I haven't done a normal wash on it in about a month. I've just been doing rinseless wash with Carpro Echo or Echo 2, Ec2O, whatever you want to call it. So today we're going to be washing it. This is filled with turtle wax wheel and tire cleaner for the tires. We're going to be doing the foam and contact wash with Carpro Reset, and then we'll be using Elixir as a drying aid. So I got most of my stuff set up already. Got my wash and rinse bucket. It doesn't have soap in it yet. I usually do that right before I get to the contact wash stage. Pressure washer set up. My wheel bucket, that's filled with Purple Power Vehicle and Boat Wash soap. I'm not going to really spray much cleaner on the wheels because, again, they're coated. You don't need all that because they should come clean easily. So let's just go and see the water behavior while the car is still dirty. And I mean, there's smudges all over it. It might not be picked up by camera, but let's see how it is. So as I'm sure you all saw, that's it's insanely hydrophobic. It's a great coating. Again, it's been about a month. I'm incredibly happy with it. This is the brand I would definitely suggest. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started on cleaning the wheels. So without further ado, let's get that taken care of. Alright, it's time for everyone's favorite part, the foam cannon. So we're going to get our foam cannon filled up and grab it real quick. We got the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro, Carpro Reset, and I've got this little thing that's about an ounce. So let's see what the instructions say. 1.35 ounces per 5 gallons. So we're going to put 1 ounce in that bucket. This we'll put about an ounce. We'll fill it up about halfway. if you're interested about this foam cannon, I've got another video about it. So that's about halfway, maybe a little bit more. So it's about an ounce. Still a little bit, oh well. We'll put these back real quick. Actually, you know what? We'll put some soap in the wash bucket while we're here as well, so you can come back to that. About an ounce, about 3 gallons of water in there. I'll agitate that so it foams up. Stuff smells really good. It smells kind of like a nice cologne. Get the extra that I spilled off there. Shake it up a little bit, and then we should be good to go. Alright, well, let's foam the car. We'll get you all a good angle from right here, so let's go ahead and get it foamed up. Very nice foam, very nice. That's like shaving cream almost. It smells very good too. So I'm going to time lapse the rest of it while we foam it and rinse it, and then we'll come back to the next step. I want to bring up something real quick. Right now is the perfect time while it's foamed up to go ahead and hit those intricate areas with your detail brush. So we'll do that, we'll rinse it off, and then we'll contact wash it. Alright, the pre-wash is done. Honestly, my car wasn't that dirty, so you can usually get away with doing just that if your car is coated and just dusty. I'm going to go ahead just for the sake of the video and do the contact wash, dry, all that. So I'm going to get the bucket foamed up, go ahead and get that started. You may see my 2-year-old son running around. I've got to go inside and grab him and watch him out here. So don't mind him. If anyone's got kids, you know what it's like to have kids. So let's go ahead and get the rest of this taken care of. Alright, so as you can see, even when you wash it, the soap just beads up. The coating it's great. So we're going to dry it off. I've got a Works leaf blower that I'm going to use. It's a plug-in one. It works pretty good. I'm just going to dry off this part of the car. Hi, little boy. We're just going to dry off this part of the car. I'm going to do the rest off video because I mean it's pretty straightforward of how to dry a car. And then we'll any water spots we'll take care of with Carpro elixir. Real quick, just to show how easy water comes off a coated vehicle. Just blows right off. I don't have the glass actually ceramic coated, so it doesn't come off the glass quite as easily, but all the body panels is right away. I would definitely say ceramic coat your car. It's not that hard. You can learn how to do it yourself. So let's go ahead and I'll show drying a part of the car in fast motion. Alright, next we're gonna go around the vehicle some Carpro elixir. This is a quick detailer formulated with SiO2, silicon dioxide, made for ceramic coated vehicles essentially. It gives a good top layer. It's not anything like too crazy aggressive, you know, not a long-term durability, but it just helps keep the coating in its best performing shape without needing to add a top coat layer. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll show you guys this side of the car, then off camera I'll do the door jams, yada yada, and then we'll finish the car off with some tire shine. We'll use Carpro Pearl, and that'll conclude the video. If you've been enjoying it so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel already. Let's go ahead and get the rest of this taken care of. Just wanted to add a side note about elixir. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need to use that much of this stuff, or you will, especially if you darker colors, you will get streaks like crazy. And streaks are no fun to buff out. Alright, so now we're just going to apply some Carpro Pearl. This is full strength. I just use it for tire shine. You can use it and dilute it for dressings. It's got the instructions on the back if you want. So let's give it a good shake. Now, this is a water-based silicone dressing, something like that. You can read more about it online. They don't come with these caps. I borrowed this from a chemical guy's bottle because it's way easier to pour it with this. So, really simple. If you've ever applied tire shine before, this is how I do it. Inside, the other side. That's about it. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of the tires done, and then we'll do a walk around in the car. So I mean, that's it. You got a really nice shine from Pearl, ceramic coating obviously, and then elixir as a quick detailer. So that's how you can do a maintenance wash on a ceramic coated car. Some people do it constantly. A lot of times you can just foam it and rinse it and then dry it. And as you can see, when your car is coated, if you use a leaf blower to dry, it makes it a lot easier. The water just flies right off. Tire shine and all that. So anyways, again, appreciate everybody watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos, and tell me in the comments below the types of things you like to see. Thank you.